Good morning, students. Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Prove that two AS is equal to VF square minus VI square. In this equation, A stands for acceleration, S stands for distance or surface area, VF stands for final velocity, and VI stands for initial velocity. We shall prove this equation by using graph, and I will tell you a very simple method how to make a graph. First of all, we draw a right angle triangle A, B and C. Then draw a rectangle right below this triangle. A, C, D, O. Extraplot line OD along x-axis. And extraplot line OD OA along y-axis. As we know that in a rectangle, parallel sides are equal. If we name OD as T, then AC will also equal to T. And if we name OA as VI, then CT will be equal to VI. We take time along x-axis and speed along y-axis. BD is equal to final velocity and BC is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. VF minus VI. BC is equal to change in velocity. Now we shall prove this equation. Here we having a surface area named trapezium. ABDO. ABDO is a trapezium. So total surface area is equal to surface area of a trapezium ABDO. You know the formula of trapezium? 1/2 sum of two parallel sides. There are two parallel sides OA and BD. Sum of two parallel sides plus into base. Base is OD. 1/2 sum of two parallel sides into base. In diagram, OA is equal to VI. So we can write in place of OA VI, and BD is equal to VF. OD is equal to T. Now we take help from first equation of motion. We know that Vf is equal to Vi plus AT. Bring Vi from right hand side to left hand side, its sign will be changed. Vf minus Vi is equal to AT. A multiply with T on right hand side, when it becomes on left hand side, A should be divided. So T is equal to Vf minus Vi over A. Putting this value of T in place of T. So S is equal to 1 over 2 Vi plus Vf into Vf minus Vi over A. Two multiply with A, so it becomes I use this portion. S is equal to Vf plus Vi into Vf minus Vi over 2A. A very famous algebraic formula, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here Vf plus Vi into Vf minus Vi, so we can write it as Vf square minus Vi square over 2A. Cross multiply, 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. So students, we have proved third equation of motion. 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. Okay.